Yeah. Yeah. Staring at you on this airplane. I ain't worried about nothing, cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat. So bump all that anxiety. But you hit to the side of me. I feel like I'm gliding. And honestly, look, I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me. That you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. Tell me how you feel, tell me what it is, tell me what it ain't. Trigger happy, you looking by, I might just detonate. Yeah, tell them dudes looking far back. Kidding and kill, I need all that. Let them call, but don't call back. Let them call, but don't.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm in the holiday mood today with this red lip and I'm loving it. Today I'm going to be showing you all how I install a straight unit from Julia Hair. This unit does come with an elastic band. It's not pre-attached and it is a different color. I'm not used to that, but it will still do the trick if you don't want to sew down your unit or glue it down. This is what the hairline looks like. It is pre-plucked and this one is done really well. Once again, it's a lace front. It is a 13x6, so there is 6 inches of parting space, which is very good. Right now I'm showing you all the pre-plucked hairline a little better so that you all can see that this one is done really well. I didn't have to tweeze or anything. I love when I get a unit and everything's done, or at least the hairline has been tweezed, because that's my least favorite thing to do. So now I'm going to just tint the lace using my foundation color. I've been doing this and layering it with my Sally Hansen. I use color Deep Glow, and I am going to use a brush, but if you do want to conceal knots, guys, don't use this technique. Actually spray the Sally Hansen on the lace and then stipple it on with your foundation, and that will conceal the knots. So now it's time to install this unit, and for this particular install I am going to use the Got2b glue because I do want to show you all some really cute styles that you can do for straight hair. I know I often kind of struggle when it comes to straight hair and styling, so I just put the unit on, I sweep it behind my ear, and then I'm going to cut the lace near my temples, and I am going to put the hair in a ponytail because, guys, straight hair, especially this long, it will get in your way. So clip it back so you don't have to worry about it getting in your way. After cutting the lace in the areas near your temples, you can proceed to add your Got2b glue under each tab, because you're going to have 3 lists of lace that you can now place down and work in sections to secure it down. This method is so much easier, and actually I feel like it is so much more precise. So after you lay it down, you're going to take your rat tail comb, you're going to comb it back, and also use the back of the rat tail comb in order to press into the lace. And then I like to take the comb it through, and then press with the flat part, and that's going to get it really nice and laid, nice and flat, and it's going to be flush to your head.
She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine. Yeah, hey. Look, pick up your phone, I need your attention. My girl so bad, we call her detention. I am so glad we moved beyond friendship. I am so glad your mama like me. Sweat up with Cupid, told him fight me. I stole your love, he shot my heart. I'm losing breath, it's getting dark. I think I might need CPR. Tell me, do you love me like I do? Tell me what you willing to prove, cause I ain't got nothing to lose. It's true, that you mean the world to me. Travel around the globe, but I know that you the only girl for me, and I gotta let you know. She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine.
Something that I want to note before we move on to the next section is that after I apply my adhesive and I lay the lace down, I smooth it over with the comb, and then after I do that, I go back over with the blow dryer on the cool setting. So I'm going to apply my Got2b glue, blow dry it on the cool setting for about 20-30 seconds, lay my lace down, use my comb in order to smooth it over, and I like to use the teeth as well as the back of the comb. And then after I've done this, I'm going to go back over it with the blow dryer again, and then I'm going to cut the lace off.
Hey yo, chill, it's just a draft. Yeah. She a little bad, hit her with the bag, yeah. Put it on the tab, don't know how to act, yeah. How you like that? How you like that? She a little bad, yeah. It's a little, yeah. Dang, girl, you got me head over heels with it. Hey, danger, you out here dressed to the kid with it. Way you breaking them necks, I don't see how they can deal with it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Look, running up like August. Now I don't see no rain. Boy, 'cause she gorgeous. Told her that it ain't no thing. Look at you and it's obvious. Gives me every time, yeah. See it in my eye, yeah. Girls on sight, and she know that she a little bad.
So now that we finished securing the unit down and we've applied our foundation in order to blend everything out, I'm putting on a satin scarf in order to set it while I flat iron the hair.
Yeah, yeah. Baby, come and talk to me. Jordana, tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy. Music for my soul, classic R&B. We don't need no plan B, but to have a family, sounding like a Grammy.
So now that I've set everything and I flat ironed the hair, it's time to show you all some styles. Look at how good this looks. It actually covered my hairline and everything. I love that. And I didn't even have to do baby hair. I could have done some to conceal some of the sides, but I think it worked. For someone who doesn't have a low hairline like me, you're not going to have any problems. You won't have to use baby hair or anything, but I could have done a little slight bit, but I didn't. But now we're going to do some styles, so you all keep watching.
Every time you speak, make me want to sing. You make me want to sing. So passionate like Jackson, 5 heartbeats, temptation. Girl, don't keep me waiting. I love you, that's Cupid. That's Soul Child with the music. You my boo, that's Alicia. I told you I need you, that's Jazz. And baby girl, you bad. So won't you come and talk to me? Jordana, tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy. Music for my soul, classic R&B. Talk to me. Lady, come here, let me tell you something. Lately I've been wondering if you could be mine forever. See you was like God, he must be up to something. Know you tired of running, let's just stay here together. I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You don't even open up, so your heart can't get crushed. You've been let down so many times, you wonder if you need to get up. You done been through too much, but I ain't tryna mess this up. Hey, let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch sunrise. We just fine, yeah. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. People say forever is a mighty long time, I don't know. I ain't really tripping if it mean that I'm holding you close to me. Baby girl, you all I need. Your smile is everything. Come and be my company. You need to take off for work. We can road trip in the A. We can take a dip by the bay. Hop on a plane, go to Spain. No matter the place, girl, you melt my heart like Pompeii. Ay, I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You done been through too much, so I ain't tryna mess this up. No, let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch sunrise. We just fine, yeah. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation, yeah. We pay paint the picture while they be tracing ya. Landing in all type of nations. Can't get enough of your love, girl. You been so patient. We started off in the basement. Now we up out of space again. #1 is the place we in. It's a mill at the finish line. All my people gon' race to win. Lord have mercy on Polo, please. He got a case to win. Can't fold, never crease, don't bend. If you do, don't cry, we been now. So let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, yeah, we just fine. Let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, yeah. You just need you a vacation. You just need you a vacation. You just need you a vacation.
Alright, y'all, that's the end of this video. I hope that you all enjoyed seeing all of the wonderful styles that I show you all and how to easily install a lace front unit. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, check the description for all the details and specifications, and I will see you all in my next one. Also, follow me on Instagram. Bye, y'all.
You just need you a vacation.